Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to review the Truxedo Pro X15 on this brand new 2025 Ram 1500 with RamBoxes. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do the review on the Pro X15 2025 Ram 1500 with RamBoxes. Truxedo soft roll-up covers are one of our favorite covers to install. Here at Rad Truck Works, we've installed thousands of bed covers, so we're going to be doing reviews just like this one. The Pro 15 with RamBoxes allows full functionality, store all your gear, nice and tight. The install on this is not as straightforward as typical covers. The RamBoxes do make it more difficult, so maybe grab a second set of hands and be ready to spend about 30 minutes. Truxedo's done a great job providing additional seals to help seal this RamBox. RamBox covers are inherently hard to seal, but this one's done a great job. So we'll go around to the tailgate and we'll show you how it works. Pro 15 allows the operation of the automatic tailgate. The latch is right here. Cover pops up. This cover, if you would like to drive with it in the open position, has to be rolled all the way to the bulkhead. Keep it nice and tight as you're rolling it back. Once you get to the bulkhead, these straps buckle in on each side, allowing for full bed use while the cover is tucked up nice and out of the way. As mentioned, Truxedo provides the additional seals to help seal this cover when it is closed. Like I said, RamBoxes are a little difficult, so we've got these additional seals right here. There are seals up in the front, but the cover does allow you to use the automatic close. Nice tight fit all the way down the rails once it's in the right position. RamBoxes require special brackets that slide in to the mounting channels that are already in the bed. So a little bit of manipulation, but it sits nice against the bed rail. Put the cover back up, undo the latch, roll it out. With these covers, you want to make sure you get it in this notch. This one's brand new, little tight. You do want to make sure the tailgate is up before you shut the cover, so this seal will sit nice and tight on the tailgate. If you have rolled this cover up, every time you close it, you're going to want to make sure that that Velcro is pushed down and pulled tight on both sides. Gives it a nice uniform appearance. This Pro X15 can be cleaned with just mild detergent and water. It's car wash safe, so feel free to go through. No cover on the market is 100% waterproof. This is one of the best bangs for your buck when it comes to water protection on just about any vehicle. Please look at our website if you'd like to purchase. Reach out to us for a discount code. But the Truxedo Pro X15 is a great low profile, soft rolling cover that'll get the job done. What do you want me to say? But Pro 15 allows... This one's locked.